So, cover up. Now, no bugs are gonna get at our bananas. Very nice, guys. Works great. Hello guys, and welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we got some food covers. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and then show you guys how they work. So let's go ahead and see what they give us in the package. So right away, comes in this nice little carrying case. So this is good for outdoor events and, you know, even inside to cover your food. So we're going to be using it this summer for when we have a local parade comes through and we have people over. So this is what it looks like. All right, let's go ahead and see how. So basically it operates kind of like an umbrella. That is interesting. That is really interesting. Wow. So you place everything out like this and you push up and it looks like it just can. Look at that, guys. I mean, this is big. This one is huge. So you guys won't be probably able to see it in full frame. But that is huge. We'll show you guys in full frame. Let's see how hard it is to take this off. So let's see here. Let's take a look at it. So if we pop it open. Oh, I got it. So you just press the button and it slides right out. You got this. Oh, you can even hang that over something if you wanted as well. And that's simple. It's that simple, guys. And then it just folds up. So let's show you guys a smaller one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 of these. So this would be a smaller one. Again, you just open it like this. Kind of pull them out. You place the pin. Oh, okay. Actually, no. Actually, they make it even simpler. You just hold it like this. Pull the string. Pull the pin up. And that's it. I mean, so this is to cover your food from flies, bugs, gnats. You know, nobody wants flies and stuff, you know, bugs in your food. So great for birthday parties, events, weddings, anything and anything, you know, picnics, celebrations. I mean, and it's so simple too, you know. For this, then you just simply pull at this piece right here and closes. I mean, that, good thinking. This is, and it's high quality too because it's not bending or breaking. You know, with a newbie that's doing this, it's not bending or breaking. So, you know, it's good quality. And yeah, so you just use the string actually. I mean, and when you're done, you can tie the string around there, but use a string, show you guys how quick this is. So you have the string, grab it, pull it. You just line it up on the hole right there and you're in. Just like that. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys, test it with some food here. See you guys in a bit. So, cover up. Now, no bugs are gonna get at our bananas. Very nice, guys. Works great.